stick the bonnet on.
Man, welcome back to the channel, man. Down here getting nice and fucking greasy, you know. Got the boy here helping me today. Little prick, eh? What a fucking hairdo on him, mate. That's his haircut he gave himself. Fucking down here pulling this shit apart. Get the fucking engine and shit out, man. Cut all the wiring and shit out. Got all the fucking crap out of here that I need to get out. Don't need anything else out there now. Carpet shit. Got all of it out though. Everything from underneath all out. Fucking gone. All gone. Got the bar, exhaust and shit, more parts there, more there. Got the fucking engine and shit out. He's sitting there, banging out hard. There's that cunt too, sunk into the ground everywhere it did. Just kept sinking and sinking just everywhere because of all the rain. Just cut all the wiring out there. Bam. Man, come on. Boot there. Fucking car parts everywhere.
The doors.
Camera's a bit dirty. Oh, got the base there, RV. Yeah. Sweet, got my bonnet over there. I can just got car parts everywhere at the moment. Needs to have a good clean up around here. Yeah, have a good clean up. Remember to like and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned, man. Come on, help me out. See you in the next one. See you, boy.